Macele's family. Kini. Are you guys adopted Mseleku family members? No, we are not understanding what is going on there. Musa, you are enabling your first wife's family too much. It's too much. It's too much to us. Tiki powers of command for stop Makarina Pumshaka Tobelamus. Yeah. If I don't make it to Mzumbe by the 15th of June, South Africa has failed me as a country. If you are looking to attend a Mother's Day event, look no further because Celebrate Her is taking place on the 9th of May. Sana, about 100 women will be taking part in Pilates, mental health talks, and engaging in wellness and mental health maintenance because Sana, you do need to recharge. You do need to recharge and reset. Now, moms, your kids are also welcomed. Children from the ages of 3 to 12 can enter for free. Early bird tickets are 200 rands and late bloomer tickets are 250 rands. Ink Casa will also be there for your piercings and tattoos. The gift, giving you some treats. So if you are looking for an amazing event, sign up for your Pilates, for your engagement with other amazing women, look no further because this is the event for you. And moms that can't make it on the 9th of May, can you please sponsor a sister? Can you sponsor a mom and sponsor someone that you know is in need of such an event? It is only 200 rands right now if you get your early bird tickets, but 250 if you can't get your tickets. It's going to be a beautiful event with all things mom. Come on now, for Mother's Day, what are you waiting for? Off. Yan amagela kumqobo yami abakadad abagogo auntie asisi. I am Sims and it's at Sims Right Reviews on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Do this number on the screen down below. Sorry, I have got you covered. Our weekly review of Utando Nestembu. Guys, you can't watch Utando Nestembu sober. I'm sorry. Every week, my heart, palpitations, my doctor's fees, cause consultations. When's Anumusa, guys? Kahle?
Expecting abantu bakamthombeni emathombeni udumo.
Ukhona ezinye izinto esingakwazi ukumenzela zona umakhwela. Usize ngibhekene nalo lukhulu kakhulu.
Njalo manje uthatha unkosikazi wena uyadelela.
Awungeni indawo imini wakho Musa. Lokho.
I understand Macele being Musa's first wife. I understand Macele being there for Musa through thick and thin, through wars, going through every community of Mzumbe. But Umacele is not Musa's sibling. And Umacele, you cannot convince me that woman and the family are good people. Those people are not good people. In fact, Macele's family, it's too much. It is too much. When Musa also, how is Samke getting a gifting ceremony before Mangwabi? Akitlalukhani Musa, what is it that you are doing? There is a lot that happened in this episode, and let me tell you something. Umatele is a walking contradiction. Is she not the same woman that said after she and Musa hold 20 years of marriage, she will not be attending any other wifely ceremonies involving other wives? Why was she at some guest thing but not at Makumalo's thing? Number 2, why are Macele's family members representing Musa Mseleku, Kabo Samge? Exactly. Wakalanyo nini? Like, guys, you are in-laws. Being an in-law means that you are related through home affairs and inyongo. not by blood or biologically. Or Uflo Yanas. Uflo, does Flo know anything about Macela's family being Musa's representatives? Exactly. And then now let us also talk about Musa Nomayeni. How come Musa knows that that one of Sbindi, his son Mpumelelo, has multiple wives, and then mine is like, I was not at the other Lobola negotiations, and I said I don't know anything about that. And then Musa said, no, it's not that you don't know anything about that. You are the one that asked to be removed and not involved in the traditional and the ceremonies of the Lobola and the negotiations. And mine was like, you guys purposefully excluded me as the groom's mother. And then now I must acknowledge a bride that I know nothing about. No, when I'm like, you are moving like a centipede when it's in love with the toys. Ni slow mara ni fast mara anindawo. Ufuna nemoto enamavili ikhona imile but ifuna ukuya somewhere uyaphi because ayikho ne-highway izofuna imoto yakhe igibele yona. Wena Musa, you have 6 more chances with me. I promise you, you've got 6 more chances.
Abantu ababili yini ngingakaze ngimbone lo munye ezala
ekanoba
wahambisa amalobolo phela lapha kwabiyela
ngikwazi phela mina lokho
Umpumelelo ngamakhosikazi awu2
hayi namakhosikazi awu2 laphayana ekunina phela kuwena mina ngiyazi lanto mina njengoma wakho
ngiyachazela nje manje
ngene mina into engingafakwanga kuyona.
Guys, we need a reunion for this show. This show needs a sit down. It needs a reunion. If not a reunion, a ring and boxing glove. Us versus Musa, us versus Macele, us versus something, the producers, but someone. But we need to find someone. The aggression that we are building up every week on the show is too much. It's too much. At this point in time, ngizoya Mr. Mloto, angry happy. Ngiyaphuza manje alithando nesithembu. Even today, I'll be drinking not by choice, but by thando nesithembu. Because every time I wash, I'm in disbelief here. I cannot believe that this is someone else's real life. And then uyayiphila leyo mpilo. Mpilo ni le. No, ibizwa le mpilo le ephilwayo lapha eMzumbe. I need to go see it for myself because 4K on my TV is not enough. Hypo at this point in time. I have to. Not for your sake. For my sake and my doctor's sake. And for my sobriety's sake. Let's talk in the comment section down below, guys.